everything we do in this series is going to be about a pot of this size. Okay, and the idea is that we go through a whole variety of different vegetables that you can grow in a pot. We'll do the sequence when we start them, watching them grow, and in the final version when we harvest. Okay, so that's the series. I hope you enjoy them all. If you do, like and subscribe at the end of the channel. Grab handfuls and fill the pot. This is already fairly moist, but we will water it once we've popped anything in. So the idea is, if it's seeds, we fill the bottom of the pot with potting compost, and then on the top level we would put a layer of seed compost, which is finer but is also just designed to get the seeds off to a start. Potting compost is designed for longer term nutrition for the growing vegetable. So there we have our pot nearly full with potting compost. Give that a light firm that down. And then for seeds, we should have, there we are, still got it in my bucket. We've got seed compost, which is much blacker and much finer. We'll just sprinkle that on top. We only need a thin layer of that for the seeds to germinate in, and then as they start to grow the main root vegetable, or the main vegetable itself, the roots will penetrate into the potting compost. And there we are. There's our pot with a combination of potting compost in the lower part, seed compost on top, and me with mucky hands.